is to show you how to manipulate the seats in your X7 so you get the most out of your third row seating or your extra cargo space, whichever you're using it for. This first feature is how to get into the back seat of the car if you've got someone riding in the back in the third row. So you use this set of buttons right here. You push this little arrow right here. This front seat will adjust, and then the second row will start to scoot forward and then tilt. So that way, someone climbing in has plenty of room to get to the third row. And then when you want to put it back down, you simply just push back, and then it'll tilt back down and scoot back, and it'll adjust the front seat as well. This next way to set your seats is if you need to put down both back rows. So you would push this button up here at the top, pull it towards you, and that will fold down the seat all the way, just in case you need a little bit more room than just putting down the third row.
Put it back up.
And if you want to put it back up, you simply just push the button again, and it'll come back up. Now all of these seat adjustments are available from the back of the vehicle as well, so you can put down either the back row or all rows from the trunk. The buttons align with where the seats are in the back of the car, so the back two left and right will be the back two left and right buttons, and so forth. And as you push them, they each go down one at a time and fold completely flat. If you look, there are also two shortcut buttons. One has max and it has a little seated person, and one has max with a little cargo symbol, and that'll show you where if you push those buttons, it'll either put all the seats up or all the seats down, so you don't have to sit there and push button after button. There's two little shortcuts that'll just take care of it for you. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of the Century BMW family.